Baumer clever level switch LBFX series. This sensor can be used for media detection and separation applications. Currently we have 6 different media: coffee premix as a powder, sugar as granulate, milk as a liquid, we have soap solution with a lot of foam, then we have berry jam as a viscous media, and Hershey's chocolate syrup as a sticky media. So when the sensor comes into contact with the first media, which is powder, the green LED changes to orange, which means the sensor has triggered an output. The change in the detection of media can be observed on the frequency sweep graph here. Now the sensor detects sugar and triggers an output. The same sensor can also be used to detect liquids such as milk. Now since the sensor is not configured for any media, when it comes into contact with foam, it generates an output. And when it comes into contact with a soap solution, by dipping further, it still generates an output. This can, however, be reconfigured such that the sensor only detects foam and not the soap solution. So we get an output for foam and not the soap solution. It can also be reconfigured such that we detect the soap solution and not the foam. So now when the sensor comes into contact with foam, it does not generate an output, but the soap solution does. Now when it comes into contact with viscous media, it does not generate an output because the sensor has been configured for soap solution. However, upon reconfiguring, it triggers an output, even for the viscous media. Lastly, coming to the sticky media, it triggers an output, but as we see, there is a lot of media stuck to the sensor tip. This generates a false output, but can be eliminated by configuring. Now the sensor no longer detects media stuck to the tip. This way, the sensor can be used for various media detection and separation applications.